Hey everyone, Blake here at C7 Corvettes, taking you through another shop walk around of what we got going on today in the shop. Here we have a 2008 C6 manual. It was a customer's car. He was looking to get into another Corvette, a C7 in particular. So he was willing to let this one go. Steve, the owner here at C7 Corvettes, was willing to pick it up from him. So it is a recently purchased vehicle for Steve, adding it to his fleet of Corvettes. Little things here and there need to be addressed, as a left-hand rear leaking fuel pump. The torque tube needs rebuilt. The throw-out bearing on the slave cylinder is making noise. Just needs to be cleaned up, gone through, and given the C&S touch. Here we have a 2004 C5 Z06. This car has come in for the full list from C&S, from front to rear. Brand new front engine kit, timing chain cover, oil pan gasket, rear main seal, torque tube rebuild, new clutch, new throwout and slave, all the way to the back, plus all the fluids done as well. So definitely put a lot of care into it. We're getting things wrapped up now so we can get it back to the customer so they can enjoy it. Here we have a 2019 C7 Z06. The customer has brought it to us to do a oil change. He took it to other shops and dealerships, wasn't exactly satisfied or happy with what they provided, so he's brought it to us because all we do is Corvettes. Andy's taking care of this, making sure he does the oil fill correctly, since the last time he took it to a different dealership, they overfilled the oil. On a side note, to all of you gentlemen and ladies that have Corvettes with wider tires on them, when the vehicle is on the ground and you're seeing the outside here and you see that there's plenty of grip left, there's plenty of tread left, everything looks copacetic, you get to the inside, not so much. It is hard to see things like this while the car is on the ground. Please make sure to check your tires on the regular. The gentleman didn't even know that his tires were like that. The car gave him no signs that the tires were riding on the inside or anything like that. So as soon as I saw it, I brought the customer out, let him know that it's pretty much showing the metal bands inside the tire. I'm almost seeing the air inside the tire, and that he needs to go ahead and get those changed out for his own safety. Here we have a 2016 C7 Stingray. The customer has brought it in for misfire diagnosis and AFM diagnosis. The customer actually bought this vehicle as a theft recovery. So if you'll notice, that is obviously not the original paint that is on the exterior right now. He bought it from the police themselves. He has all the paperwork and everything like that for the title, but this was a theft recovery vehicle. And you can see from kind of the condition of it that somebody snagged it, had some fun with it, tried to hide it, but still got caught. Here we have a 2004 C5 convertible. Customer has brought it in for a front engine kit. We are doing a full AC system service on it, new condenser, compressor, dryer, orifice tube, and brand new straighter valves. So that would be a brand new ice cold AC for the customer, and a nice new front engine kit, oil pan gasket as well. Over here, we have another 2019 C7. This is a Grand Sport. Customer has come to see us a couple of times now. Today he is getting LED lights, front and rear side markers put in, the rear reflector delete to LEDs put in, rear diffusers, and a new front lip. Nick and Zach are heading this up, knocking it out. Customer's also getting a new carbon fiber steering wheel installed, which you saw Lyle's videos. We're going to start carrying those ourselves for the 6, 7, and 8. He's also getting new rear diffuser panels put on. It will bolt straight to the fascia of the bumper. And like I said before, he's getting a new front lip as well. Old factory, new LED with the smoke finish. Also currently in Steve's arsenal of Corvettes is this 1990 manual C4. We're getting some things worked out on it. It's going to be going up for sale. The ZR1 that we had already sold, so expect this one to also fly off the shelf to the right customer once we get a few things ironed out. So be on the lookout for links and more videos to come on that. This is a 1969 Chevrolet Corvette C3 that we don't work on. From Canada.
He came from British Columbia, Canada.
Yeah.
To our shop.
Not
I know.
to our shop. He came from Canada to our shop. This.
Yeah, I can pretty much see the air.
I can pretty much see the air in the tire. Where'd you go? You should just squat in front of the Q50 like at the end, just like hanging out like this. You're like, well, that's another episode of the shop walk around here at C7 Corvettes. We lock cars around here. That's what we do. It's unfortunate it's locked because we lock cars right in front of the yellow. Right in front of this car we don't work on. We don't do it. We don't do it. All right, so that's another episode of C7 Corvettes Shop Walk Around with me, Blake. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I have. As always, please comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see. Let Lyle know what you want to see, topics, discussions, whatever it is. And I hope you have a great day. Thank you.